If you have been planning to start your own YouTube channel but could not find the courage, motivation, or the reason to start, in this video I will share with you 7 things you need to know about YouTube that will give you the motivation to get started finally. So let's dive in. Hi, I am Azim Ahmed and I help aspiring YouTubers to start a profitable YouTube channel. If that sounds amazing to you, then subscribe to my channel and let's dive right into today's video. So the number one thing that you need to know about YouTube is that YouTube is life changing. It can change your life in so many ways you cannot even think of. When I started this channel a few weeks back, I had no idea what I was thinking last night. It was very interesting chat with my friends who were doing a construction job. Both of them are electrical engineers. So right now technically I'm jobless. So the point is that they were saying that 45 is the limit that you can do job in the construction industry as engineer, whatever, electrical engineer, mechanical, civil, or whatever. So they said that 45 is the age limit. So we are going to do this job up to 45 and then we will retire. At that time, what I was thinking, while smiling at the same time, what I was thinking inside my head, that I am planning to continue beyond 45 if I am alive at that time, right? So this was so empowering for me because a few years back I was thinking the same thing, that I need to continue rising the corporate ladder inside my construction job, save money, buy some properties, rent them out, and eventually retire when I feel that I have enough for me and my family. So it gave me so amazing feeling that while my friends are thinking about retiring and save money and build properties, assets for passive income, what I was thinking is that once I have built my business, I can continue running this. I will build my team and I will be spending less time on running my business and more time doing the things that I'm great at. And that was a moment for me from doubt to clarity. In just a few weeks from starting my YouTube channel, I traveled from self-doubt and imposter syndrome to the point where I can see opportunities that lie ahead of me that I can grab if I continue with my channel and continue to improve and provide value to my audience. So that is a huge shift in terms of mindset and approach towards my business. So if you have been thinking for a while but could not start a YouTube channel, then let me tell you that if you start your YouTube channel right now, today, at this very moment, it can change your life in 6 months or 1 year, or after that, you don't know, because the journey is different for every person. Right now I have to search for job, I'm doing job hunting, and at the same time I'm creating my content. So this can be different for you. If you already have a 9 to 5 job, then you have less hours than me. So the point is that YouTube can be life changing for you in so many ways if you give this amazing platform a chance. So number two thing is that YouTube is not for the weak. I have failed 7 online businesses. I have built websites around affiliate marketing. I had built a website around tree trimming services that was about the rank and trend model, if you know that. Basically, in that model, we generate leads for local services and sell those leads to the local service providers, right? So, and also I tried the roofing service as the lead gen website model. So besides that, I tried high ticket affiliate marketing, promoting and selling high ticket courses for like $4,000. I had started a tech blog where I shared the news of new technologies, new gadgets, and the new launches, all that stuff. And I also tried ClickBank affiliate marketing with Facebook ads, and I spent like $997 for the course as well. And besides that, around $600 or $700 on Facebook ads. And in that business, in that time, I made $0. So that was very heartbreaking for me, but I did not give up. So I'm here creating content, providing value, and sharing the lessons learned the hard way to my audience, to you, my community, my tribe, to inspire you people to never give up. So the number 3 thing is that struggle is real. If you are planning to start your YouTube channel, then let me tell you that struggle on YouTube is real. In the beginning, you are not going to get any views, subscribers, comments, or anything like that. Maybe you will get nothing, you will get no figures when you start. But if you keep improving your content, if you keep learning the platform, and if you keep providing the value to your audience, then eventually you will start getting attention on YouTube, and you will eventually start to gain momentum and confidence that will be your fuel for the success on this amazing platform that we know as YouTube. In the start, when you are not getting any views, subscribers, or anything, at those times you need to motivate yourself up. You need to keep yourself up, and you need to trust in your beliefs, and you need to believe in yourself, right? You have to believe that yes, you can win this game and you can change your life. So this is very important, because in the start you will start a lonely journey. You will be alone. Maybe people will criticize you, people will ask you about what's the point of doing all that thing, right? When you're not making anything, when you're not making money, when you're not getting any subscribers or views or likes or comments, then why are you doing this? So at those times you need to have firm belief in yourself that yes, I can do, and until I win, I am not going to give up. When you start on YouTube, you have to learn a lot of new skills, like getting or generating video ideas, writing titles that get clicks, creating amazing thumbnails that compel people to click on your video and actually watch it, and scripting the video so that people watch a big portion of your video. That grows your channel, that tells the algorithm that people are engaging with your video, people are watching your videos for significant portion of time, so that it will recommend your videos to more people like your current viewers. And you have to learn video editing, and you have to learn how to set up a successful YouTube channel, all those things. And by the way, on my channel I'm sharing everything step by step, so if you're just getting started, you can watch the videos on my channel. Those are not very fancy videos, but yes, you will get the point. You will know everything what you need to do step by step. So check those videos on my channel. I'm going over everything step by step. So the number 4 thing is you have to format your brain. What that means is that you have to delete everything from your brain. You have to replace your old mindset with the new mindset. What the old mindset is, that you have to go to a 9 to 5 job and you have to perform your duties and responsibilities according to your job description, and at the end of month you will get a paycheck, right? That is the old way of living. Okay, now the new mindset is that every single day when you wake up, you have to figure things yourself: what to do, how to do, when to do. And you have to figure out how you are going to generate money from your YouTube channel. So this is a complete opposite and empowering at the same time. All of a sudden you have switched your brain from being working as a 9 to 5 slave to a entrepreneur, to a businessman who is taking decisions, who is taking the responsibility for his business. So this is very amazing shift in terms of mindset that you have to make if you want to be successful on YouTube, because mindset is everything. If you don't have the right mindset, then you are more likely to quit, like I did in my 7 online businesses that I have started and failed before. And that led my father to say that, my son, I'm hopeless for you, that you can be able to work anymore in your life. So I failed because I had the wrong mindset, right? So I was looking for instant results, I was looking for faster results, faster money. So let me tell you, there is no such thing as fast money. On YouTube particularly, you have to think long term, you have to play the long game. It will take some time to eventually find your tribe on this platform, and once you find that tribe, then you will be making a life changing money, and you will be impacting a lot of lives beyond yourself and beyond the people around you that you call your family. So this is so empowering that once you get success on your platform, once you have built an audience, and once you have found your tribe, the like-minded people who also crave the freedom of time, location and money, then you can be so grateful to yourself that you took the step a few years back or a few months back, and because of that first step, your life is now completely changed, and you are now changing so many lives of other people just like you. So for all that to happen, you need to take the first step. You have to take action, and you need to start right now. And the number 5 thing is that you need to start before you are ready. You don't need to wait for the perfect time, the perfect camera, the perfect lighting, the perfect studio, the perfect you to start your YouTube channel. You can learn while doing the thing. You cannot learn YouTube by watching dozens and dozens of videos non-stop. You can only learn YouTube by making YouTube videos and posting those videos on your channel. So with every video you post on your channel, you learn a few things, right? After you upload a video, after maybe you can say a few days, a few hours, when you have time, you can watch that video and analyze what is the one thing that you can improve in the next video. This is the popular advice by Mr. Beast, that you need to improve 1% or one thing in every video you post, and before you know, your videos will be so much improved that you cannot believe yourself. So you have to start right now. All you need is your smartphone and a laptop. Just like I'm recording this video on my smartphone. It's not an expensive phone, right? And I do everything from video scripting to video editing, thumbnails, all those stuff on my laptop, because I feel it's very easy and comfortable to do all those things on laptop than my smartphone. So the number 6 thing is that know your why. You have to remember your why you are doing YouTube, and why you are spending all that time to learn about this amazing platform. So what's the point of learning and doing all that? What's the point of spending so much time of doing YouTube when you can spend the same time in some other activities, like spending a few hours in a job and make some money? And while you can do that, but you choose to learn about YouTube and make videos to create your YouTube tribe, right? So you have to know your why. My why is that I want to have a life of freedom. I want to have financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. I want to spend time with my family. I want to raise my kids. I don't want to spend the youthful years of my life in a 9 to 5 job. I would rather spend that time with my family and raise the kids like I want to. Okay, so this is my why. This is the thing that fuels me while I'm not getting so many subscribers and views. Okay, I'm getting some, but that's not enough. But I know that it's just a start. It's the start of my journey, and I'm willing to put in all that effort to reap the rewards in a later time, at a later stage. So this is the thing, that you have to know your why, which is your purpose of doing YouTube, and which is why you will keep moving until you win. And the last thing is that you have to model the success. As they say, success leaves clues. So when you're just starting out, you can feel overwhelmed about what topics to create videos about, how to come up with viral worthy ideas, how to create viral videos, all those things. So what you need to do is that you need to model the success. You need to find the big and small channels in your niche, and you can make a list of 50 or 100 videos that have done better compared to their other videos. So you can list down 10, 5, 10 or 20 channels in your niche, and you can find maybe 50 or more viral videos or semi-viral videos with 20,000 views, 100k views or more. So that will be your first set of videos that you can make. So this is very important. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to model the success, and you need to be willing to put in the effort to model those amazing videos. So once you find a viral video, once you find a video that has done well compared to the other videos on that channel, then you need to analyze what's special about that video. What is the reason that video got so many views and likes, comments, all those stuffs, right? So you need to pay attention to that, because as they say, the devil is in the details, right? So you need to dig in the details about that video and add your own spin to it, add your own flavor to it, add your own stories, struggles, wins and failures that will make your video unique, and that will connect your audience with you, right? So which is very important. So everyone has a unique story. If I talk about myself, I have a unique story. I have a unique background in electrical engineering. I have over a decade of professional experience in construction, teaching and inspection services, right? And I switched to YouTubing and I switched to digital marketing. Right now I am building my YouTube channel and I am trying to grow it one subscriber at a time. So what I am doing is that I am modeling the viral and semi-viral videos of other channels in my niche. My niche is YouTube. Why? Because I am obsessed with this amazing platform, and I am obsessed with learning everything about being successful on YouTube. So once I figure that out, I can build other businesses. I can start other channels in other niches. I can sell my own services. Basically, I'm a copywriter. Okay, so once I figure out this platform, that once I have built an audience on this channel, then I can start another channel where I can promote and sell my copywriting services. So this is the power of entrepreneurship and business, that once you find some success, you can replicate that success. You can start other businesses in the same niche or other niches. You can sell physical products, you can sell digital products, you can sell your digital services, you can do a lot of things. So I hope that gives you a moment of light bulb, just like I had when I found out that how many amazing and life-changing things you can do once you find a little bit of success on YouTube. So if you are still watching this video, then I appreciate your time, and believe me, I have taken a lot of shots while recording this video, but I wanted to do this because these are the things that I learned the hard way after spending so many years in frustration, failure and self-doubt. And as I told you, a time came in my life when my father gave up on me. I don't want that to happen with you, and I want you to start the right way. So I hope you will get some courage, motivation and inspiration to press the record and start your YouTube channel today. I am Azim and I see you in the next video.